Yes, it's still falling, but it's starting to come to an end. We can see the back edge of the snow now from Guthrie Center down through Creston. It's lifting up to the northeast, so more snow is on the way for the Des Moines area up through Ames, over toward Grinnell and Newton, and out toward Iowa City. Down through Sheraton, you're trying to get a little bit of a break right now, but the snow continues for you down in Indianola, over toward Ottumwa, and down through Centerville, all lifting up to the northeast. Southwest Iowa is really kind of quieted down at this time. Across Nebraska, where the snow has been coming from, it's starting to break up a little bit, but there's still some flurry activity that may work its way into southwest Iowa over the next couple of hours. And if you're headed down toward Kansas City, the roads there will be snowy too. They're under a winter weather advisory, and weather turns a little bit more icy as you head toward Oklahoma. Taking you hour by hour through 6 a.m. We'll continue with those scattered snow showers along and south of Interstate 80. Watch for slick roads, lowered visibility in the stronger snow showers, but it quickly comes to an end. By 7 a.m., just a few light showers of snow left over near Newton and Grinnell. A few flurries possible still at 9 a.m., but other than that, we're headed for a dry afternoon. Maybe some peaks of sun. Highs, though, only in the 20s north, low 30s for the rest of the state, so no melting today for the most part. Overnight lows bitterly cold into the single digits and teens, especially up to the north, and that would be near record cold levels. Snow tracker shows, in addition to what we've already seen overnight, we could pick up another 0.2 of an inch here, maybe another half inch or so near Grinnell. Winterset possibly upwards of a half of an inch, and light totals maybe next to nothing in addition to what you've already had in Ames. Right now we're checking out the downtown sky cam. A little bit of light snow continues to fall out there. It looks like winter, and folks are driving like it's winter because the roads are slick. 25 here in Des Moines. Make sure you pack your patience, add a couple extra minutes to what it typically takes you to get somewhere. You'll need maybe an extra 10 minutes or 15 minutes if it takes you on the freeway. North wind now at 8. It feels like 16. Folks are going to be driving slower. That brisk wind from the north, 10 to 20 miles per hour, is driving those wind chills down to near 8 degrees to what it feels like in Carroll. Here's your 8-day forecast. Now, the snow's not going to stick around forever. 50s are on the way by Wednesday, but boy, Eric, out there this morning, that snow is making a big difference for that commute.